Open your discovering book, page number 16. My name is, check your name spelling also. I have, how many members are there in your family? 4 or 5, 9 or 6. Understood? My family is a, your family is a nuclear family or joint family. Identify and complete your answer. Okay? The sister of my father is my aunt. Okay, very good. In this session, we are going to learn about family values. Open your textbook. Page number 13. Open your textbook, discovering book. Textbook means discovering book. This is your textbook. Discovering EVS grade 1. This is your EVS textbook. Open your textbook page number 30. Okay. Once let's revise our previous class. Okay. Who are your grandparents? Your fathers and mothers. Parents are called your grandparents. Who is your uncle? Your father's and your mother's brother is called your uncle. Who is your aunt? Your father's sister is your aunt, and your mother's sister is called your aunt. Who is your cousin? Your uncle. Your uncle's son or daughter is your cousin. Same to same. Your aunt's son or daughter is your cousin. Okay. Today we are going to learn about family values. Okay. In our family, your father, brother, and your grandparents live together. How does your father help? How does your father help? Your father helps like bringing vegetables, fruits, and he is by your notebooks. Okay? See the textbook. How does your father help? By making tea or your mother every morning. Okay? By making tea for your mother every morning. By dressing you up your school. Very good. Your father is likes bringing vegetables, fruits, and your notebooks. Okay? And your mother's cook food for us. See here. How does your father help? By making tea, T-E-A-T, F-O-R for Y-O, you are your mother, E-Y-E-R-Y every morning. By making tea for your mother every morning. Okay? By dressing up for school. By dressing you up for school. And that is. How does your mother help? By cooking tasty food for all of us. Mother cooks food for all. By cooking tasty food for all of us. By helping you with your studies. Okay. Your father by making tea for your mother every morning, and by dressing you up for school, and your mother cooks food for by cooking tasty food for all of us, and by helping you with your studies. Your mother helping you with your studies. When you are doubt, your mother will clarify that. Your mother helping you with your studies, and by cooking tasty food for all of us. Your father making tea for your mother every morning, and by dressing you up for school. This is your father's duties. This is your mother. Okay, by cooking tasty food for all of us, by helping you with your studies. How do you help your parents? By keeping your toys and book properly, and fill the water bottles, and watering the plants, dusting the desks. Okay, see the textbook, page number 13, family values. HOW how, DOES does, YOUR your, FATHER father, HE help. How does your father help? 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 He help likes. He will buy your books, and he is bringing fruits and vegetables, and by dressing you up to school, by making tea for your mother every morning, and by dressing you up for school. Okay, how does your father help? By making tea for your mother every morning, and by dressing you up for school. Okay, how does your father help? By making tea for your mother every morning, and by dressing you up for school. How does your mother help? How does your mother help? How does your mother help? See here. This is your father help, and say slowly. How does your mother help? By cooking tasty food for all of us, you with your studies. Okay, by cooking food for all of us, by cooking food for all of us, and by helping with your studies. Okay, how does your mother help? By cooking food for all of us, by helping with your studies, by helping with your studies. When you are writing homework, if you have any doubt, she will clarify it. By helping with your studies, by cooking food for all of us. And how does your father help? By making tea for your mother every morning, by dressing you up for school, and he will buy your notebooks, textbooks, pencils. Okay, and he is bringing fruits and vegetables. Like that your father will help. Okay, how does toys and books in proper place. Okay? How do you help your parents? How do you help your parents? By keeping your toys and books properly, by taking care of your brother or sister, and helping in small works like filling the water bottles, watering the plants, and dusting the tables. Okay? By taking care of your brother or sister and turn the page. This is your help to your family. By keeping your toys and books properly, by taking care of your brother or sister, and helping in small works like filling the water bottles and watering the plants and dusting the tables. Once check your today's homework page number, workbook page number. Open your my observation workbook. Page number, my observation, part 1, page number 6, fourth bit. Put a right on the correct sentences and put the wrong mark, cross out mark on the wrong ones. The sister of my mother is my grandmother. Your mother's sister is your grandmother. No, your mother's sister is your aunt. Here given grandmother. So the sentence is wrong or right? Put the cross mark like this. Okay? First one. And second, A. Not first one, A. The sister of my mother is my grandmother. No, that is not correct sentence. The sister of my mother is my aunt. So here given grandmother, so the sentence is wrong. First one, A bit like this, put the wrong one. My cousin is the daughter of my uncle. Okay? Your cousin is your uncle's daughter. So that is correct sentence. Put the right mark like this. And a family with mother, father and one or two children makes a joint family. A family with mother, father and one or children makes a joint family. No, it is a nuclear family. So C1 also put the cross symbol. Understood everyone? Today's EVS homework, my observations, part 1, page number 6. Once again, put a right on the correct sentence and wrong on the wrong ones. THE the SISTER sister, OF of MY my, MOTHER mother, IS is MY my, GRAND grand, MOTHER mother. The sister of my mother is my grandmother. Sentence is right? No. The sister of my mother is my aunt. So, you have to put the wrong symbol there. M by my, COUSIN cousin, IS is TH the, DAUGH TER daughter, OF of M by my, UN CLE uncle. My cousin is the daughter of my uncle. My cousin is daughter of your uncle. So the sentence is right. You have to put the right mark. FAMILY family, WITH with MOTHER mother, FATHER father, AND and ONE1, ORR TWO2, CHILDREN children, MAKES makes, AJOINT joint, FAMILY family. A family with mother, father and one or children makes a joint family. A father, mother and one or children makes a joint family? No, it is a nuclear family. So we have to write, put the mark there, wrong mark. Understood? This is today's your EVS homework. Once copy this today's EVS homework. My observation, homework, learn and write. My observation, observations, part 1, page number 6, 4th bit. Understood everyone? Today's CVS homework, learn and write. My observation, this is your workbook. This is your textbook. This is your textbook. This is your EVS textbook. This is your EVS part 1 workbook. My observations, part 1, grade 1. Okay? This is your part 1 workbook. This is your EVS textbook. Today's homework, your workbook, part 1, page number 6, 4th bit. Okay? Understood everyone? Look at the board everyone. Is this 7th page? Once let's revise. A family in which parents, grandparents, uncle, aunts and cousins live together is called a small family. A family in which parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins live together is called a small family. Grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins live together is called a small family. No, it is a joint family. D bit is a wrong symbol. Okay? Next E. My, M by my, GRAND grand, PARENTS parents, ARER, THE the, PARENTS Who is the grandfather? Grandmother. Mother. Father. You and your sister. Grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, brother and sister. Like that complete the Rohan family members. Here write grandfather, here write grandmother, here write mother, father, Rohan and sister. Just turn the page. Come to previous page. Who is he? Deepa's father. Who is she? Deepa's mother. Who is he? Deepa's brother. Who is she? Deepa. This is Deepa's family. Deepa's family has only 4 members. So Deepa's family is a small family. And who is he? He is Rohan. Rohan family has grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt and cousins live together in one house. So Rohan family is a joint family or big family. He is Rohan's grandfather, Rohan's grandmother, mother, father, brother and sister. Okay? Next, who are your grandparents? Your father's parent and mother parents are called your grandparents. Who is your uncle? Your father's brother and your mother's brother is called your uncle. Who is your aunt? Your father's sister and mother's sister is your aunt. Who is your cousin? Your uncle's son or daughter is your cousin. Same to same, your aunt, son or daughter is your cousin. Let's revise today's lessons once. Open your textbook page number 13. How does your father help? By making tea for your mother every morning and dressing you up for school, and he will buy your notebooks and he is bringing fruits and vegetables. Okay? And how does your mother help? Your mother cooks food for all of us, and when you are studying, if you have any doubt, your mother will clarify that. How do you help your parents? By keeping your toys and books in proper place, watering the plant, filling the water bottles and dusting the tables. Tomorrow we will learn fun with friends. And today's your previous homework, my observations, part 1, page number 6, 4th bit, A to C bits. Okay? Already we completed page number 5, Deepa's family, matching, and 6th page, 2nd bit also, nuclear family and joint family. Today this 4th bit is your homework. Understood everyone? Okay. Now learn odd words. New words. UNCLE, uncle. AUNT, aunt. CHILD, L-Y. Family. H-E-L-P. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Dressing. D-R-E-S-S-I-N-G. Dressing. D-R-E-S-S-I-N-G. Dressing. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. A-U-N-T. Aunt. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. H-E-L-P. Help. D-R-E-S-S-I-N-G. Dressing. Now 5 minutes textbook reading. Okay. Open your textbook once again. Page number 30. H-O-W how. D-O-E-S does. Y-O-U-R your. F-A-T-H-E-R father. H-E-L-P help. How does your father help? How does your father help? By making T-E-A-T, F-O-R for, M-Y my, M-O-T-H-E-R mother, E-V-E-R-Y every, M-O-R-N-I-N-G morning. By making tea for my mother every morning. By B-Y by D-R-E-S-S-I-N-G dressing, M-E me, U-P up, F-O-R for, S-C-H-O-O-L school. By dressing me up for school. Turn the page. How does your mother help? By B-Y by C-O-O-K cook, I-N-G in cooking, T-A-S-T-Y tasty, F-O-O-D food, F-O-R for, A-L-L-R, O-F of, U-S, us. By cooking tasty food for all of us. By H-E-L-P-I-N-G helping, H-E-L-P help, I-N-G ing helping, M-E me, W-I-T-H with, M-Y my, S-T-U-D-I-E-S studies. By helping me with my studies. How do you help your parents? By K-E-E-P-I-N-G keeping, my M-Y my, T-O-Y-S toys, A-N-D-N, B-O-O-K-S books, P-R-O-P-E-R-L-Y properly. By keeping my toys and books properly. By T-A-K-I-N-G taking, C-A-R-E-K-O-F of, M-Y my, B-R-O-T-H-E-R brother, S-I-S-T-E-R sister. By taking care of my brother or sister. Understood everyone? Today's CBS homework. Learn and write my observations. Part 1, page number 6. Both with A to C. Okay? Bye.